Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Satria Wibisono. I would like to present the result of my research entitled Effect of Deferred Tax Expense, Profitability and Leverage on Earning Management. Table of content. Bab 1 Introduction, Bab 2 Supporting Theory, Bab 3 Research and Method, Bab 4 Result and Discussion, Bab 5 Conclusion and Suggestion. Introduction. Background. In the business world, financial statement has become a medium communication where financial statements can connect interest parties to the company. Interest parties, such as investors, creditors, and company owners, can estimate the power of financial statement, especially profit, to measure risks in investment and credit, because the company profit are still very important information for investor, creditor, and company owners. Factor. Number one, deferred tax expense. Number two, to profitability, and three, leverage. Research question. Number one, is there an effect of the on deferred tax burden on earning management? Number two, is there an effect on profitability on earning management? Number three, is there an effect on leverage on earning management? Research objective. Number one, to prove the effect of deferred tax expense on earning management. Number two, to prove the effect of profitability on earning management. Number three, to prove the effect of leverage on earning management. Benefit research. One, benefit of literature. Number two, benefit of fraction. A, share company. B, share investor. Library review. Number one, supporting theory. Positive accounting theory. Positive accounting theory refers that managers can have the power of flexibility to choose procedure that will be able to increase profit on or decrease profit to modify financial statement or to achieve a certain goal. The action of management manipulating financial statement are usually referred to as profit management. Ramadan 2017. According to Watts and Zimmerman 1986, positive accounting theory has three hypotheses that form the basis of the manager motivation for profit management. Namely, the bonus plan hypothesis, the debt covenant hypothesis, and the political cost hypothesis. Earning management. According to Sulistianto 2008, in Fitria et al. 2020, start the point. Management is the way company manager to explain or influence information on financial statement with the aim to affect the company performance and condition. The Angelo model. Dictionary actual corporate E of period to T. Total accrual corporate E of period to T minus total accrual E of period to T. Total asset E of period to T minus 1. Deferred tax expense. Deferred tax expense is one approach that can be used to detect the existence of profit management practice carried out by company management. Deferred tax expense occurs because the difference arising between tax accounting, fiscal profit, and commercial can provide additional information for user of financial statement to assess the quality of current earnings. Deferred tax expense, total asset minus 1. Profitability. The profitability of the company is one of the basis of assessing the condition of a country. For the is taken analytical tool to be able as it. The company for that is tax analyst tool to be able as. Thus, every company will increase its profitability because the higher the level of profitability of a business entry, the survival of the business entity will be more guaranteed. Leverage. According to Rianto 2016, in Padriani 2019, leverage is a ratio that measures the extent of debt used by a company described to the relationship between a company debt to capital or asset. Usually, the company will report higher profit to keep the company reputation in the public eye. Hypothesis and development. Hypothesis and development. Number one, deferred tax expense. Deferred tax expense positive effect. Number two, profitability negative effect. Number three, leverage positive negative positive effect. Research method. Unit of analysis, sample population. Data collection technique. The data used this study is secondary data that is data obtained indirectly through other parties. The study used audit annual report data from the Indonesia Stock Exchange or IDX website originating from the manufacturing sector during 2018 to 2020, and also use literature study, research journal, and open. Operation analysis variable. The study will examine the effect of deferred tax expense, profitability, and leverage on profit management on manufacturing company in the consumption subsector. The variable in the study consists of two types, namely, number one, variable dependent is the case it is earning management, and number two, variable independent. It consists of deferred tax expense, profitability, and leverage. Variable dependent X. Independent of free variable are variable that affect related variable, either negative or positive. Sugiono 2013.61. In the study, the independent variable used consists of deferred tax expense, profitability, and leverage. Analysis, data analysis technique, descriptive statistical test, classic assumption, normality test, multikoranialitas test, autokorelasi, heterokodesitas test, multiple linear regression analysis. Y alpha plus beta 1 x1, beta 2 x2 plus beta 3 x3 plus error term. Hypothesis test. Determination coefficient analysis R square. Analysis of determination coefficient R square aim to find out how much the ability of independent variable variation explain dependent variable. The contribution of influence given by a free variable or independent variable X to a bound variable or dependent variable Y. Or in other words, the value of the coefficient of determinant or R square is useful. Use a method of predicting and seeing how much influence contribution X give simultaneous to variable Y. F-test. The F-test to determine the simulation effect of pairing X together or combined on variable Y. With the following decision making. Variable have to affect other dependent variables, so how if except HA is reject 0.05. Independent variable are mutually affected by dependent variable, so how H0 is reject and HA is accept significant 0.05. T-test. The T-test serves to look for influence between independent variable against dependent variable. Sabrina 2019. The T-test is a tool for partly knowing the effect variable X on variable Y. Result and discussion. Description of research data. The research aims to obtain empirical evidence on the analysis of the effect of deferred tax expense, profitability, and leverage on profit management. The study used secondary data from financial statement, annual financial statement, and substance reports of manufacturing company with consumption sector listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange or IDX in the period 2018 to 2020. Sample are X on the www.idx.co.id website and website of each company. The sampling technique used is in this study is proposing sampling with a total 31 companies. The total manufacturing of the consumption subsector listed during 2018 to 2020 is 31 company. And there are 3 companies whose year's report is not available on the Indonesia Stock Exchange, so research reduced from 31 companies to 28 companies. From 28 companies at times 3 to 2018 to 2020 research year, so there are 84 select data companies, but there is outlier data. Sample of criteria table. Sample of criteria. Company in the consumption subsector listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange in 2018 to 2020, 31. Total 31. Companies in consumption subsector whose annual reports are increasable during 2018 to 2023. Total 3. Companies that do not present complete data related to research. Total 0. Total research sample 28. Research year 2018 to 2020. 3. Total observation 3 period 2018 to 2020, 84. Total observation outlier 4. Total observation research 80. Statistics descriptive. The study used descriptive statistical testing with the aim of describing a summary of variables from the data in the form of statistical number from the data as is without making any conclusion or analysis of the data used during the 2018, 2019, and 2020 periods. Descriptive statistics table. Variable N 80 minimum minus 0.07, maximum 0.06, mean 0.0034, standard deviation 0.011205. Variable profitability N80 minimum minus 1.37, maximum 8.30, mean 0.1135. Standard deviation 0.95, 649. Variable average N80 minimum 0.06, maximum 8.21, mean 0.5588. Standard deviation 0.64, 0.949338. Deferred tax expense. Variable deferred tax expense is in this study is project with total deferred tax benefit in share with total asset. The average value for deferred tax asset is 0.0034. The standard deviation of deferred tax expense is 0.01205. The average value is smaller than the standard deviation, 0.0034, smaller 0.01205. The minimum value of 0.07 means that in PT MGNE in 2020 and the maximum value of in 0.06 in PT DLTA in 2019. Profitability. The profitability variable in this company is measured using a ROA proxy with net income before corporate tax divided by the total asset of the company. The average value for return asset is 0.1135. The standard profitability deviation show a figure of 0.95649. So it can be seen that the average value is smaller than the standard deviation, 0.1135, smaller 0.95649. The minimum value of minus 1.37 is in PT MGNE in 2019 and the maximum value of 8.30 in PTM GNA in 2020. Leverage. The leverage variable in the study was measured by proxy debt to asset ratio with the total corporate debt divided by the total asset of the company. The average leverage value is 0.5588, which means that the average amount of leverage of consumption subsector companies sample in the study is 55.88%. The standard deviation of leverage shows a figure of 0.94938. So it can be seen that average is smaller than the standard deviation 0.55828, smaller 0.894938. The minimum value of 0.06 is in PT MGNA in 2018 and the maximum value is 8.21 in PT MGNA 2020. Earning management, variable profit management. Why? In this study is project with discretionary accrual as be measured by the Jonas model by dividing total accrual by the previous year's total asset and reduction non-discretionary accrual in the previous company. The average value of profit management is minus 0.068 minus 0.036.8, which means that average number of profit management of consumption subsector company sample in this study is minus 3.68%. Standard deviation of profit management show a figure of 0.146. So it can be seen that the average is smaller than the standard deviation minus 316.8, smaller 0.146, minimum value of minus 0.50 obtained at PT MGNA in 2018 and maximum value of 0.21 in PT MGNA in 2020, the highest value in PT MGNA in 2020. Classic assumption, normalitas. Normalitas assembly significant 2 minus pilot and 80 unstandardized residual 0.188 terdistribusi normal. Multi-coroidal test, variable BPT, tolerance 0.561, variable profitability, tolerance 2.70, variable left, tolerance 0.260. Autocorrelation test. Model 1, R 0.45 455 R square 0.207, IGS R square 0.176, standard error of the estimate 0.9120, Darby-Whitson 1.447, heterogeneisitas variable deferred tax expense significant 0.146, variable profitability significant 0.105, variable leverage 0.647. Multiple linear analysis T 0.326, T minus profitability T4.0551, variable leverage minus 4.2520. Hypothesis test, coefficient R square test. R square 0.207. Analysis F test. The F test aims to test the diversity of model as to whether the variable can answer from the study. According to Ghazali 216, the F test aims to find out whether the independent variable in the model affect dependent variable together. T-test. The T-test serves to look for influence between independent variable against dependent variable. Sabrina 2019. The T-test is useful for partially knowing the effect of variable X on variable Y. The T-test is used to T-test the hypothesis H1, H2, and H3. Discussion of hypothesis testing result. Deferred tax expense has no effect on earning management. Profitability positive effect on earning management. Leverage negative effect on earning management. Conclusion and suggestion. The study aims to test whether deferred tax expense, profitability, and leverage affect earning management. In this study, the subject was a consumption subsector manufacturing company listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange or IDX. The data collection in this study was conducted by analyzing financial and annual statement take from the official IDX website in 2018 to 2020 with a research sample of 84 data. In determining the final sample, research conducted outlier over several companies to overcome the problem of normality in data testing, bring the data of observations to acting observation. The study used profit management as a bound variable. Profit earning management is an action taken by management to increase or decrease profit in accordance with the interests of certain parties. While the free variables in the study are deferred tax expense, profitability, and leverage, deferred tax expense in the temporary difference from fiscal policy to according policy, hence of occurrence of deferred tax expense. Profitability is a measure of the ability that generates a return on the asset it has. Leverage is the comparison between total liabilities and the total asset of a company. This ratio indicated the large amount of asset owned by companies financed with debt. Suggestion. Based on the conclusion and limitation that have been generated in this study for the purpose of improvement in the result of future research, the author provides advice for the future research to increase the number of samples by increase the number of time and the company sector that is carefully conducted in order to obtain better result in describing profit earning management carried out by companies in Indonesia. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.